Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get an app containing useful set of tools for any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store, and the Play Store just search for one application named as Toolie, and on the first list you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you will see here tons of various options, so you can see here. So I'll give you a quick overview what all those sections provides for you. So if you click on this text tool, you will see various options like basic tools, remove tools, edit tools, stylish tools. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every option, so you can check out by yourself. And the next option is the image tools. So under the image tools, you will see here resize image, crop image, rounded image, gradient wallpaper maker, trim, transparency, flip image. So here are some useful tools for editing your image files. And next to it is a calculation tools. So the first one is a common, below one is algebra, finance, time, 2D geometry, 3D geometry. So these are the options you're gonna get inside the calculation tools. And next to it is a unit converter. So here are some, firstly the common, dimensions, mechanics and electricities, motions, other. So these are the options you're gonna get inside the unit converter. Next to it is a development tools, mainly for developers. Next to it is a color tools. So color picker, image color picker, blend colors, is color darken. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this color tools. And next to it is a randomizer tools. So you can use like lucky wheel, flip coin, yes or no, rock paper scissors, spin portal. So these are the options you're gonna get inside the randomizer tools. Next to it is a generator tools. So under you will get a QR code, lorem ipsum, simple number generator, multiple numbers generator. And the last one is a journal tools. So under it you will see a ruler, simple counter, scoreboard, countdown, stopwatch, Morse code, Roman numerals. So in my opinion, using this Toolie, you can easily get an app containing useful set of tools for any Android smartphones or tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.